Assalamualaikum. You're watching Sphere News Network. It's 9 p.m. bulletin. Addressing the rally today, Maryam Nawaz said that the thief turned out to be a thief himself. Imran Khan received funds from India and Israel. Maryam Nawaz says the fundraising case has been postponed 30 times. Why don't you pray for Modi's victory when you are taking funds from India? The people are being punished for the silence of Election Commission when RTS was closed. Why didn't the Election Commission take notice? The mountains is falling on the people. All this has happened due to the silence of Election Commission. Addressing outside the Election Commission, PTM President Fazlur Rahman said, if you do not run the government, why did you come? He said that earlier the government did not take over, but now the whole party has become a bunch of thieves. Bilawal Bhutto said in addressing Umar Court why Election Commission could not explain why the foreign funding case. The Election Commission will have to answer. Sheikh Rashid termed the opposition's protest as a failure. He said the government had arranged more slaves, but the opposition failed to bring slaves. Shibli Fraz says government protest is not an obstacle for oppositions. Traffic flows at Islamabad is proof of Imran Khan's democracy. Sindh decided to buy corona vaccine instead of waiting for federal vaccine. Established a fund of rupees 1.5 billion to buy vaccines. Talks are underway with two companies to buy the vaccines. The Human Rights Commission has expressed concerns over allowing private companies to buy vaccines. Health Minister Yasmin Rashid says nurses in Punjab will get degrees instead of diplomas. Now they can also do PhDs. 15 flights cancelled in Punjab due to heavy fog while in morning.